Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're gonna look on how to link your Twitch account to OBS. First, open up OBS, then click on Settings. In Settings, click on the tab Stream. In the service drop-down list, select Twitch and then click on Connect Account. Once you click on it, you will have to log into your Twitch account. Then click on Authorize. You can leave these settings as it is and then click on Apply. You'll get chat and stream information boxes which you can drag and keep anywhere on the screen as per your desire. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.